Meet AiTrillion, world's only AI-powered e-commerce marketing platform with 8 plus automated customer touchpoints and actionable analytics. You just have to sit back and relax and wait for our artificial intelligence engine perform all the activities to engage and convert your customers on the store. AiTrillion is one of a kind automated sales and marketing platform which influence and engage your existing customers as well as help target and grow new audience across multiple channels. Let's see how. Turn your computer data into deep actionable insights. This enrichment report will give a holistic view of all the events taking place across the platform, such as people live on the website, order placed, sales done, total number of customers, customers which are mapped, total push, reached engagement, done through push, email, and AI app, followed by loyalty and reviews. Also, you can track total events created and recovery done by abandoned cart. Let's take a sneak peek of our powerful AI box, which converts any lifeless store into an AI-enabled smart store for on-store customer engagement. AI box powers 8 plus customer touchpoints like AI-based loyalty, reviews, personalized product recommendations, specialized offers, and email subscription. Drive more engagement based on future projections. Peep into your customer's mind and predict in advance all the activities that will be performing on your store and engage your customers based on those activities. These customer predictions are categorized into time, order, price, customers, and location. Target your custom audience like a pro. Our AI engine will conduct analysis on your store and segment your audience based on various attributes such as price range, time, product, color, review, loyalty, and much more. Intelligently reach your customers even when they are not on your website by sending them automatic push notifications. Target and craft push campaigns that adopt the experience of each visitor. Increase the reach of your emails with automation. Our AI engine will automatically adjust the best timing, perfect content, and personalization to all your email campaigns. For user friendliness, we have designed the most common and useful built-in segments just in a click. You can see your store's frequent buyers, losing customers, new visitors, new customers, top purchasing customers, and non-purchasing visitors. This does not end here. AiTrillion creates a separate customer line based on their journey on your store, like when they signed up, which products they purchased, push sent by AiTrillion, email sent by AiTrillion, email and push opened by the customers, loyalty points received, reviews given. Let your customer word do all the selling on your store. Showcase product reviews, site reviews, and multi-image reviews easily. Also collect reviews, photos, and Q&A with a single automated email request. Engage and win back customers with AI-based loyalty program. It will help you to boost social audience and get new customers. Your customers will automatically receive loyalty points as soon as you set activity rules in loyalty programs. These are most talked about element of our marketing platform, but this is just actually a part of it. This is just a start. Visit AiTrillion to know more.